Hello, welcome to my channel once again. And in today's tutorial, we're going to look at how we can remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. So assuming you get a data set that comes with duplicated values, how do you remove them? Okay, so we have three ways that we can do that. And the first way is using the remove duplicate tool, and the second way is using conditional formatting, and also the third way is using the unique function. So when you look at this data set, you can see that uh, we have these records or these numbers repeated. So we're going to look at how we can just use the remove duplicate tool to get rid of the repeated data. So all that you need to do is go to data tab, and also you select what remove duplicates. So this will select all the records, then you just click on OK. So this will get rid of the repeated value. So you see that it says what, two duplicate values found and removed. Okay, then you just press on OK. So this is the first way. Okay, so the second way that we can remove duplicates from our records is to go to the Home tab and choose Conditional Formatting. But before you do that, I'll select the records under Contact, then click on Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules, and choose Duplicates. So you see that Excel will highlight all the records that are duplicated. And I'll just click on the contact, come to sort and filter, then choose filter. Then I'll just filter by or sort by color. Then I can just delete the repeated values. So let me just select them and delete them. So this is the second way that you can do that, or you can use the unique function. And to use the unique function, unfortunately, this Excel version that I'm using doesn't support it. So to be able to do that, you have to use the Excel 360 version or a higher version. Okay, currently I'm using 2019, and 2019 version doesn't support that. So I'll quickly switch to the 360 version. So this is the 360 version, and to use unique, you just type equal to, let me even put it, let me do it up here. So equal to the unique, then you select the entire records, then you enter, you click on enter. So you can see that unique will filter out only the unique values for you. So you see that now all the repeated values are gone. So basically, these are the three ways that you can delete duplicates in Excel. So let me know in the comment section, which of the methods that interest you. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.